Okay, so hello. Hi. Where are you from?
We are from Uruguay.
Uruguay.
South America.
Oh, welcome to Japan.
Thank you so much.
ありがとうございます。Okay, so first of all, why did you come to Japan?
We love Japan.
Mm.
It's our second time.
Second time.
And we were around Japan for 1 month.
Oh.
We have been in Hirosaki, Matsumoto,
Oh.
Nara, a lot of cities.
Wow. So both of you guys second time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. When was the last time?
We went 2018.
2018. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
6 years
years
ago.
ago.
Oh, wow. And did you like it?
Yes, of course.
Wow. So this time, when did you arrive?
Middle April.
April. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So quite long time.
Yes,
Oh.
1 month. Tomorrow we leave the country.
Ah. Okay. So last day.
Yes.
Okay. So how was Japan?
Was beautiful.
Mm.
We know more things because it's our second time.
Mm-hmm.
We know more about the traditional music.
Yeah.
Also, I love to play traditional music.
Oh, music.
Shamisen,
Oh.
shakuhachi, and we
Wow.
saw a lot of concerts.
Oh.
We saw Hiromitsu Agatsuma.
Hiromitsu.
Agatsuma, a
Agatsuma.
professional player of
Okay.
shamisen. Was crazy.
Wow. So this time, where did you go? Like Okinawa, did you go to Okinawa? Or
No.
which part of Japan did you go?
Osaka,
Osaka?
Nara,
Nara?
Kyoto,
Kyoto.
Tokyo,
Tokyo, Matsumoto,
Hirosaki.
Hirosaki.
It's the land of shamisen.
Ah, so north part.
Yeah, Aomori.
Ah, oh my God. I see.
And we love Japanese food.
Mm.
It's crazy. For us, it's amazing.
Wow.
Ramen, sushi,
Wow.
Gyoza.
Like delicioso.
Yeah.
And ice cream.
Ice cream.
Matcha ice cream.
Ooh. Okay, so which Japanese food was the best?
Difficult. Between sushi and ramen.
Sushi and ramen. What about you?
Yes.
Sushi and ramen?
Sushi and
Yeah,
ramen.
Oh, okay. So, what's your impression of Japan?
It's a very clean country.
Mm-hmm.
With good organization
Mhm.
and the transport internal in the cities and between each cities amazing. Very punctual for it's great for
Wow.
us. Yeah.
Wow, that's so good.
And we as that we are tourists, we can buy the share pass.
Oh, jail pass, yeah.
That is excellent for moving between cities in Japan.
Wow, yeah. So, did you ride a bullet train like Shinkansen?
Yeah.
Oh, how was the Japanese Shinkansen?
It's a very good experience, and we when we come back from Osaka to Tokyo, we saw the Monte Fuji
Oh,
during the trip.
ah.
That's crazy.
Wow, so while you ride on the bread train, you can see the
Yeah.
Oh, wow,
That
that's
was
perfect
amazing.
match. Like Shinkansen and Mount Fuji.
Yeah.
And that train is so fast, right?
Yeah.
Ah, your country does
No, we need Shinkansen.
Ah.
In Spanish is tren bala.
Ah, okay.
Tren bala.
Terembara.
Trembala.
Ah, wow, okay. Did you like Shinkansen as well?
Yes.
Wow.
I love Shinkansen.
Yeah, okay. And do you know any Japanese language that you say arigatou gozaimasu in Japanese? What
Yeah.
else? Like,
すみません。
すいません。
ごめんなさい。一期一会。
Oh, wow.
I love this word.
This is a Ichigo Ichie.
Ichigo, yeah. But actually, this is not Ichigo Ichie because I will visit you guys one day, So ichigo ichie means never like we'll meet. But I wanna meet you in your country, so not ichigo ichie. Yeah.
And gambatte. Gambatte.
Gambatte. That's so good. How did you learn?
How we learned it?
Japanese.
By YouTube videos and studying the country.
Wow. Okay, so what was memorable moment in Japan?
When we were in
Matsumoto, yeah?
we listened shamisen,
Mm-hmm.
and we went to that shop.
Ooh.
And I have the opportunity to play with a professional player.
Wow.
We play Ringo Bushi, a traditional song.
Ringo Bushi?
Ringo Bushi.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Wow. So did you play shamisen?
Yeah. I have to learn a lot.
So good. Did you go to Matsumoto Castle as well?
Yes, of course.
So
Beautiful.
good. Beautiful. Wow. Like, did you stay Japanese like hostel or Japanese ryokan or
Both.
both?
Ryokan, hostel, or a simple hotel. Yeah.
Wow. In Matsumoto, where did you stay?
We went for the day.
4 day?
Yeah, no, 1 day.
1 day?
But for the day we were in Nara. No?
Nara. Wow, that's so good. And is there any surprising thing since you came to Japan?
Yes, many things.
Many things.
Some surprise that we have. I don't remember, but we have a lot of amazing things.
Yeah. That's so good. Okay, so last couple of questions is gonna be like this about you guys. Are you guys happy now?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so what makes you happy?
Travel.
Travel.
Is excellent to disconnect from your routine.
Yes.
During the year for your simple job.
Yes.
Always here to go to the office and work. Travel is one of the best things. That you have to invest your money.
Yeah, that's so nice. What makes you happy?
Travel.
Travel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Japan.
So you like Japan?
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
We love Japan.
Okay, so.
It's our second time and we will come back.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow. So next is third time.
So far.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And you like travel, right?
Yeah,
So
of course.
did you go another country already?
Yes, in 2022 we went to Europe.
Europe, yeah?
Many countries.
Many
in
countries.
Europe.
Spain.
Wow.
Holland
Oh.
or Netherlands.
Wow. So how many countries have you ever been to?
Wow, it's difficult. 15.
Oh,
16.
wow,
Yeah.
that's so good. Okay. So last question is gonna be like this. Okay, so what advice would you give to younger self if you come back to past? What advice would you give to yourself? Yeah.
We have a lot because we learn a lot from this trip.
Okay.
But the food in Japan is a very good quality every place. So
Yes.
don't make lines, very big lines to eat in a restaurant because all are excellent.
Wow, that's perfect. Yeah.
The hospitality or
Hospitality.
hospitality. Yes.
Wow. Do you think hospitality is good in Japan?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Wow. And actually, I want to go to Uruguay. Where should I visit?
Well, many tourists go to Montevideo, that is the capital city, and Punta del Este.
Undilete.
Yes.
Okay.
Punta del Este have beaches and is for the summer season is excellent.
Okay. So I will go summer. Yeah, let's grab some beer or something.
Yeah.
Okay. So
The hospitality too.
hospitality.
Yeah.
A good hospitality.
Yes.
Yeah, I wanna visit. Yeah, I'll visit. Okay. So thank you for your cooperation today.
You're welcome.
And I hope that enjoy your rest of Japanese stay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so ありがとうございます。バイバイ。バイバイ。
すごい。